Okay, well, I got the 40 series flowmaster off, and I got the Super 10 on. This is what we ended up with. As you can see where it shittily comes together there. It goes down and it kicks right on out. It jumps right there. And hopefully this plumber strap holds up pretty good. But we're gonna do a cold start. I haven't started it at all today, so I'm gonna set you guys back here. The hell of a mess to clean up after this. I'll set y'all right there and let's see what we got. My keys at. It actually sounds really freaking good. It's a hell of a lot quieter than the 40 series, I think. I figured it'd been louder. Especially since it's catless. It doesn't have a catalytic converter on it. And it's just the stock Y pipe right straight back to it. I like it. I think it sounds good. So it's gonna take it a little bit too to get wore in to where it sounds probably better. I mean, my computer's got to adjust, everything's got to adjust to it. So we'll see in about a week. And if it wasn't crappy outside, I'd take it for a test drive, but I don't feel like backing it out of the garage and all that crap right now. So I'll come back when it's nice outside and we'll do some drive-bys and stuff.